YouTube. This is my first video, so please go easy on me. I'm just a poor soul. Seriously though, today I'm gonna be showing you how to get this look. I call it easy fall back to school glam. So yeah, stay tuned. Keep watching to find out how I do this. My face is washed, my skin is primed, I am a little sick. Let's just get to it. So first I use this after I prime, of course. Use about 2 squirts. My mirror is down here, so don't fear. No, I don't apply with my finger. I'm not an animal, and yes, I do my neck. Because Kim Kardashian told me once to do it, so not that I trust her, but have you ever seen Kim Kardashian have bad makeup? Next I use NARS creamy concealer, and I do this. And to be completely honest, I don't know why I do this. I am no real makeup artist, so I just do what they do on the YouTube and Instagram, and this is what they do. And you know what? It makes my, you know what? Maybe I do know what it does. I might be lying, because it makes my under eyes look brighter, but the rest of it, I don't know. Can't do it. So next, I don't really know if this is like the right thing to do, but it's what I do because my skin gets really, I don't want to say oily because that doesn't sound nice, but yeah, it's a grease trap. So I put on Essence All About Matte Silky Fixing Powder, and oh my god, this stuff is so good and it's so cheap, and I don't even know what I did before. And then just blot this all over. I can literally feel it soaking up the grease that is my skin. That's gross. That's too much information. Sometimes Rachel should just shout out. And I wait to do my forehead just because when I do my brows, I use more concealer, and I want the concealer to be nice and dry as well, like my face. So next part, I know y'all want this because so many people have complimented my brows and asked me how I do them, and so here you go, my gift to you, kind of. So first I use Anastasia brow pomade in medium brown, and I take my dirty little Tarte brush and I just take a huge heaping scoopful and I just go to town. This part you probably won't be able to watch because, yeah, there's just a nip here. Here's a little progress bit. Basically I start with an underline under the brow just to get like a basis, like a little bit of an idea of where I'm going with this. Today I'm doing a glam brow, so it's gonna be a little more extra than how I would normally wear my eyebrows, but that's okay. I will upload another video about like everyday brows because on my Instagram poll a lot of people also wanted that. I'm also like, thank you. Like I was kind of overwhelmed by how many people actually voted like that you wanted to see me make YouTube videos. That made me feel like really good. So thanks, and here you go. So like this brow's pretty much done. Also, if you want to excuse my outfit right now, my boyfriend is in Japan and this is all I have of him, so. Just getting them symmetrical is literally like the hardest thing. You make them both look good, but actually getting them to look the same. But on God, if I don't try. I did a damn fine job. After I have achieved brow, I take my concealer again and get like a little bitty bit off the tip. Pretty much just underlining what I did, but this creates like a smoother, more like fluid brow rather than like choppy, just brow pomade. And then I take a little bit and I go over the top and kind of give myself a unibrow, but it's okay, she's cute. Okay, and now I'm going to take my powder again and I'm gonna brush up. Okay, so now we're doing eyes. First I'm gonna take my palette and I'm gonna use that powdered sugar and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. You're gonna take a thin brush and you're gonna dip it in reindeer paws and you're gonna just go in the crease. This is what I've got going so far. It's not done, but it's a good way to make your eyes look really big, even though my eyes are already really big. I'm just gonna be scaring people. And then I'm gonna take gingerbread. I'm gonna brush it over top, and then finally I'm gonna take Hot Toddy, this one, because it's pretty, and brush it over there. And now, wing liner. So now that we've got the eyes and brows done, we will proceed to contour, and I'm probably doing this in a very messy order, but that's just me. I'm messy. So I love, I swear by this Too Faced chocolate stuff. It smells like chocolate. My favorite contour. I literally use it for everything. So we're just gonna put it on. Cheekbones. And then we're gonna put on my favorite blush, Super Orgasm. Now, because I'm feeling extra, I'm gonna take my Stila Diamond Dust and put it on my inlet. And for the highlight, I use a lot of Too Faced, love Too Faced. So I'm gonna use my Too Faced Canary Diamond. It's super cute, it looks like a diamond. And then I also put some just above my eyebrow. And now for lips, I'm gonna use Too Faced Melted Matte Pumpkin Spice. And so here's finished for now. Let me just go get ready real quick. Okay friends, so that's how we get this easy fall back to school glam sort of look that I did. You want to ask me anything, leave a question in the comments and let me know what you'd like to see next. I'm thinking I want to do an everyday makeup look or a soft glam or some sort of cat eye interesting one like that. So let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. It really would mean the world to me. I worked really hard on this video and I did it for you. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.